In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your age in Grok. If you need to update the birth year on your Grok account, I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface and share a few simple tips so you know what to expect. We'll start from a fresh browser window, get to the official site, and then head straight into the settings where the birth year option lives. First, open your web browser and search for Grok AI. In the results, look for the official Grok website and click through to it. A quick tip here. Always make sure you're on the correct domain before signing in or changing account details. Checking the address bar helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your account safe. Once you're on the Grok site, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's the small avatar-style button that opens your account area. Click that icon to reveal your personal menu. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the sidebar or maximizing your window. You may be asked to sign in at this point if you aren't already. That's normal for accessing account settings. From the profile menu, click on Settings. This takes you to your account controls where you can manage preferences and personal details. In this page, find the section labeled Birth Year. This is where Grok references your age for experiences that depend on it, such as safety features or content suitability. Click the Change button next to birth year. A selector will appear, letting you choose the correct year. You can scroll to find your year or type to jump closer in the list, depending on the interface you see. Take a moment to pick the accurate year that reflects your actual age. Having the correct birth year helps ensure recommendations, access, and age-related safeguards work as intended. After selecting your birth year, click Continue to confirm and save. The page should update to show your new birth year. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh the page and then revisit settings to verify. Keep in mind that some features may be governed by regional policies, so changes to your age might influence which experiences are available on your account. That's it. You searched for Grok, opened your profile, went into settings, changed the birth year, and confirmed with continue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly update your information with confidence. If you found this useful, feel free to repeat the same path anytime you need to review your account details.